Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a very long time since I did a makeup video. So today, that is what I'm doing. I'm gonna put some makeup on, we're gonna chat, and then I'm going out. So I'm gonna show you my outfit, my makeup, all that amazing stuff. So if you'd like to see what I create, then just keep watching. Alright, so it has been a very long time for me to do my makeup and stuff for you guys. So I'm just gonna put my hair up and we're gonna get started. Alright, we're good. I'm just gonna be priming my face. This is the Cover FX and I'm just gonna be kind of priming my face. I have very, very dry face, so I'm going to put all of this in here. This is actually for blurring. So I'm putting it all on my face right here, anywhere around my nose, and maybe a little bit over my forehead as well. I don't know if this is going to match, but we're going to try this. This is the Airbrush Flawless Foundation, so we're going to try this. I haven't used this product in a very long time, so hopefully this works. So it seems like it might be a little bit too light, but we will blend it. So I will put all of the links down below for everything that we use, and also I will put it all on my Like to Know It. If you guys aren't following me on Like to Know It, you definitely should be. I put all of my outfits and all the makeup and everything, and it goes straight into the website, and it's free, and it's perfect. I love it. Also, the brush that I'm using right now is from Sigma. I love this brush. I have all of these types, the Kabukis. This is the F84, and I'm just putting this all on for my face. So how have you guys been? Ryan and I recently moved to a new location in Alabama, so we have been super, super busy. Let me know if you guys want to do, if you want us to do a question and answer kind of thing, just because we have been doing a lot of stuff right now, and so I feel like we have a lot to catch up on with you guys. Going in for my concealer, I'm just going to use the normal Tarte, and there's a lot of people that are doing their concealer different now. People are like, oh, only put it here and then also over here. To me, it doesn't really make sense, because either way, you're still pushing it the same way, so it's still gonna look the same. I just don't understand why people keep doing that, and everyone's agreeing oh, you should be putting it only here and here, but yet you're gonna blend it all going over here anyways, so it's still gonna look the same. So I'm just gonna show you that it's going to look the same. So you bring it up, okay, bring it down a little bit, blend that up, and then doing it here, and then it's not like you're only using it here, you're bringing it all up and going back. It's all gonna look the same. So to me, it looks the same. Going into my bronzer / contour, I've been using this. This is amazing. I absolutely love it. This is the shade Caramel. That's what I use, or Caramel, whichever one you'd like to say. But this is from Anastasia. It is just absolutely gorgeous. So when you look at the website, Caramel looks really, really dark. But this is what it looks like, and I love it because it's more warm, and it's just, I just absolutely love it. I'm just using my Extreme Structure Contour F04, and I'm gonna start blending this down in my cheekbones. And I'm not contouring, I am more bronzing and putting it on the contour area. So I'm just kind of putting it where it goes, and I'll blend it later. The color is so good. And again, so you guys can see, I haven't blended it yet, so it won't look like this. In Alabama, it's starting to be nice and warm, so we're super excited. It's already been pretty warm. It's been in the 60s, but the past couple of days it's been super, super windy, so it's been chilly when you go outside, just because the wind is so fast that it's making it seem like it's a little chilly. So I feel like I need to go outside and like lay out in the sun. So this brush is the Soft Angled Contour, and I'm just gonna blend this with this brush. It's very, very soft, and just making sure it is all nicely blended. I do have a coupon code for Sigma, and I will link it down below for you guys. I'm pretty sure it's just Courtney. Alright, so look how good that looks. Alright, so I'm going to quickly set my under eyes really quick, just because I realized I forgot. Alright, next I'm going to put eyebrows on, and I'm going to stop it and then put it all on, and then I will be right back. So next I'm going to be using my Anastasia Brow Freeze. I love this. So many people talk about these, and it is so good. So I'm just going to use a spoolie, and then I'm going to bring it up. And that's how everyone's doing the, like, bushy brows, if that's the word I want to use, like a bushy brow. I do have really long eyebrows. I should probably go ahead and cut some of them off. But I think it looks pretty good. So next I'm going to go into my eyeshadows. I have no idea what I want to use for my eyeshadows today, but I'm going to be using the Lovelies Nude 2 palette. So I'm going to zoom yourself in and let's see what we should do today. So I don't think I'm going to do anything like intense today, but I'm going to use this palette. I'm going to start off with this color right here, and it is called Patootie. So do you guys still like watching makeup tutorials? I just feel like most people aren't doing makeup tutorials. I think maybe that is kind of like in the past now. I don't know. I still really love watching them. So let me know. I haven't been doing it, as I said before. I have just been so busy with like a new house and everything. So Ryan and I have been very, very busy. We have been moving, and we've been trying to get everything into the house, and there was a lot that was going on with the house that should have been fixed before we even came in. For example, the people that lived here were like making huge holes in the wall after the contract. It was not there before, and then when we came back in after the contract and everything, they had cut huge holes in the wall, or multiple walls, and it was just like, ugh, we've been dealing with that. They also tried to fix some of the colors on the wall that need to be repainted, and they used the wrong color and sheen, and they just kind of like patched it everywhere. So we have been trying to repaint and fix everything. So it has just kind of been, it's been a lot. All right, I'm gonna go in with this blue. This is not blue. All right, I'm gonna go in with this color. This is Sheer, and I'm just gonna put it on my lid. It is gorgeous. And I'm just using my finger. So once I have it kind of where I want, I'm just going to take that same brush and just trying to blend the edges on all of it. Next, I'm going to use this. This is from Jaclyn Hill. This is the highlighter, and this is Extra. And I'm just going to use my finger, I think, as well. And I'm going to try to put it in the center of the lid like that. Ooh, that's nice. And then again, we'll blend it. I'm going to go ahead and do that same on the bottom of my lashes. I'm going to use this same highlight, use a different brush, and I'm going to put it on the inner corner of my eyes and also on my brow bone. For some mascara, this is from Smashbox, and I'm just going to do a couple of coats, and then I'm going to put some lashes. What is your favorite mascara? I don't know what it is. I feel like I've gone through so many, and like there's never been one that's like the best. I do really like the Lily Lashes one. If I have to choose, it's probably that one. I just don't know. Is there like a new one that I should be trying to see which one is the best? Which one is your all-time favorite mascara? I feel like I need to know. I'm gonna put my lashes on. These are Cocoa Lashes by Queen Bee. I used to love these lashes so much. I haven't worn these in a very long time. And I saw them and I was like, I'm about to put these on. All right, lashes are on. I love these lashes. They're just so like girly and feminine. I think they're just super cute, and they're very inexpensive as well. So moving on, I'm gonna talk about blush. I have been loving cream blushes. Now I have extremely dry skin. Like I could put tons of oil on my face and like 5 minutes later, it's like back to being dry. So I've been using cream blushes and these ones are so good. These are from Jaclyn Hill. I have two colors. This one is Swoon and this one is Impress. And I think I'm gonna use Impress today. It is like baby pink and I just like put it on my cheeks like this and it comes off so easily. And then going into a denser brush and then blend this together. I love the color of this blush. Look how pretty that is. It's very easy to blend. Just to make it easy, I'm gonna use the same for my highlight. Put it up here and then I'll blend it out. Last but not least, we're going to be using this. This is my KKW lip liner in the shade Nude 0.5. My lips have been so chapped recently, so it's like crusty, as bad as that sounds. But I'm going to overline a little bit and then I can't talk while I do it. And also ignore on, as I said, how crusty my lips are. So here's my makeup. I think it looks very clean and easy. I think it looks really good with the highlights. I love the blush and the contour slash bronzer. Again, I will put everything in the link down below with my like to know it link. I'm going to quickly go and get dressed and I will show you the total final look. All right, so here is my outfit. I have a leather jacket, then I have a dress. So this dress is actually a pretty long dress. I ended up putting a belt in the center of it, so it kind of has like movement here. Goes down to like my knee-ish. I also put some black boots on. Not sure if you guys can really see them, but they look like this. I'm gonna put a little video going like outside so you guys can see the whole look. But yeah. All right, I am obsessed with this outfit. It has a little biker jacket on. I have my leopard. You guys know that I love my leopard. Got some cute little boots down here. I just think everything matches so perfectly. So I hope you guys liked this video. Let me know what other videos you would like to see next. But yeah, I love you guys so much and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.